What is up, fam? Hope this message finds you all well and in good spirits. Well, today's the day we're going to actually do the 2018 Mustang's first oil change. And we're also going to do something interesting. We're going to see if we can get an oil test done on it. The main reason we're doing it on that guy back there is because, as you may or may not know, I pretty much did not break in the car. As soon as I got the car, I went to the track. I raced a few other Mustangs. Damn. He's going. And a Camaro. And a lot of people in the comments were like, you gotta break in the car, what are you doing? Get the oil, get it tested. We'll see what's happening, just out of curiosity. Usually trucks do this, like big diesel trucks, but we're just having fun, just for an experiment. The car is more broken in now. We're gonna get a fresh thing of oil on it. The spacers that we put on are doing well. Driven it about, I'd say about a couple hundred miles now. Couple of things, couple of cool, exciting things. This week coming up, we're gonna lower the car. Gonna put the iBox Sport lines on there. But so excited, I got a full sponsorship from Steeda, and they sent me all types of suspension parts. Stop the Hot kit, there's an enthusiast kit, and there's like an ultimate kit. So we're gonna also, besides lowering it, we're gonna put on the Stop the Hot kit, and then we're gonna test it at the track. So what we did was, I just got the Nitto NTO5Rs to put on the rear tires. I'm pretty sure my neighbors hate me, by the way, but... We're here at the quick lane, and just to show you guys again, 3,860 miles. We're gonna get the oil changed. This is so cool, by the way. This is my mode that I have set up. Then you have Sport Plus, which I don't really use too much. You have the track, which I eventually will take this to the track, but you know, I'll go to the drag strip more. No, this is brand new.
Okay.
Well, not brand new, it has 3,000 miles.
But it's never been here.
Never been here before.
Okay. Make sure all this information is updated for you.
Nice and warm lately, so after this, I want to get well, it's going to snow today. I'll probably get a car wash detail tomorrow.
Yeah.
And be ready for the spring. Well, I heard
some nasty weather's coming.
Oh,
so,
no.
Yeah. I would hold off on that.
I was all excited.
I'm waiting for my full detail, too. I'm like, nah, let me wait till all this weather clears out. It starts getting nicer.
It's so cool.
Yeah.
That's new. It has to be new because I haven't seen it before.
And then now I'll be just doing the walk around on the vehicle. We used to do the walk around on paper.
Okay.
But we do it digitally. All right. As you can see.
Well, that's cool.
Or just
take a picture.
Yeah, we just verify the condition, make sure the condition at start is the same condition leaving out. So if you had any questions about, hey, you know, maybe that might not have been there or something like that, at least we'll be able to reference it. All right, so we'll have some good.
This is cool stuff.
Good solid photos. I just try to take it at every direction.
A little photo shoot.
Yeah, it protects you, it protects us. It's just a better way all the way through. There we go. I mean, you know how the digital age is, so.
Yeah.
We always want to make sure that we're taking proper care of your vehicle, because we're not the ones who drive it every day. You are, so we would just want to make sure that the quality is up to where you
This is awesome. Yeah.
All right. Now I'll go ahead and hit save through there. Now you can see just the pictures all the way around the vehicle.
Oh, cool.
All right. There we go. And then I do just need a signature right in that yellow space.
Shelby GT350, and it is a gorgeous car. Like, don't get me wrong, I love the Shelby GT350, but I am still happy and satisfied with my 2018 Mustang GT. Would I take this? Of course, but I know it sounds silly, but some of the things that just made me want to get the Mustang GT was the 10-speed auto and the digital dash. Like, those things, I mean, I would still love to have this Tremec and the Voodoo and all that stuff, but if things go right and I'm able to, I'll try for the GT500. But. So this is the new Lincoln Navigator that every YouTuber is saying is the best SUV ever. This one stickers for $91,865. $91,000. I mean, it does look nice though. Actually looks really nice, but 91,000. Woo. You know, basically there's a pattern that I'm seeing here, and that is that cars are just getting way more expensive than they used to be. The Navigator, it's nice, $91,000, and I'm no one to talk. My Mustang GT cost $51,000, and I just saw a Ford Explorer in there that cost $55,000. Now, obviously, those examples, the Mustang, the Explorer that's $55,000, and the Navigator are the fully loaded options, but cars is getting more and more expensive. Those days are gone. So, and it's funny because cars are such a depreciating product. Like this car, you know, my Mustang's gonna be worth 30 something in a year and a half. That Navigator should be in the 70s by next year. So then that Explorer should be in the 40s. So these prices are out there. So let me make this point clear. This is what I would do, like, or I would recommend to you. I mean, I'm already done my deal, but I would get a base Mustang GT and go ham with the mods. If you look at this car right here, beautiful 2018 Mustang GT base. I mean, just they don't get more base than this. But if you peep it, look at that price, $36,000. That is a good price. I mean, this is bare bones, you know, like nothing, but it's a great project. I mean, my goodness, mod wise, what you could do to this guy, you could still put that little iPad dash in there. I think that Raxium, whatever, so I'm sure somebody has something, and you could start going crazy with suspension mods, all that money you're saving. And look how nice it looks. You still get the new third generation Coyote. Definitely switch out the tires and the rims. It's just a great project. So even though, yeah, the new Mustangs are expensive, you could definitely get a base and go crazy with the modifications, and you still get some options. You still got the rear backup cam, quad tip exhaust for 30, mid 30s. You got the look, and you go crazy with the mods, and get some Brom racing seats. It's easy. It's easy to make this a really nice show car in a real short amount of time with that price tag. It's nearly $20,000 less than mine, and you can have fun. But this is a nice one out here. Okay, so the first oil change is done. And look what we got here. We got the oil from the Mustang, so we're going to be sending this out to get tested. first oil change is done. We got the old oil up in here. We're gonna get that tested. It's nice and dark and black. We'll see how it looks when the reading comes back. I think it takes about 30 days or 2 weeks or something. So we'll send it out in the mail, get a kit and send it out, and then we'll come back and see how clean or dirty the oil was. You know what's funny? This is new oil, and again, the car feels like it's smoother. I mean, this oil, this was in the car when we did the, the 12-1 at 119, when we did all those craziness with the car. And so I will send it out and see what it's like, and in a weird cult-like way, maybe keep it as part of the museum, if you will, of this 2018 Mustang, and what we do with it. But it's nice. The car is getting more broken in, and as you know, the more broken in it gets, the belief is the faster the car is gonna get. So much so, we're gonna look forward to next month going back to the drag strip, seeing what we can run, adding more mods in, seeing how the times improve. All right, y'all fam, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that if you want to continue this journey with me, you'd like and subscribe, leaving feedback, what you're looking forward, or what you want to see with the 2018 Mustang as we move forward, as we get into more modifications, as we get into racing season. It never ends. All right, fam. Peace.